Good. So, running time. Again, I've tried to set it up. Let's just try to mimic merge sort. We know there's going to be a problem. We know there's going to be a problem that we're going to have two recursive calls that will not have the same size. But let's just see how far we can get. Okay? So rough recurrence, to be revised later. Okay? So I claim there is a constant independent of n so that the amount of operations we perform on an input to n, well, I guess two things. I need a base case. So we do one operation in the base case. And in general, we do some work outside of the recursive calls. We've already gone through it. Okay? We sort in 1a. This board justifies the fact that 1 is only linear time. 1b, that's obviously linear time. And as we discussed, partition is linear time. So this is 3 non-recursive steps, this C plus n. We also argue that one of it's easy to figure out the input size. That's this one. Okay, so we do work in the recursive call of input size n over 5. And what remains is this line here. Recurse something smaller, and the question is how much smaller is it? If we were lucky, we happen to get the median back as our pivot P, then, okay, so this is a thought experiment. Suppose P happened to be the median, okay, but we weren't looking for it. Say we're looking for the n over 4th order statistic. We get the median back as our pivot. What can I legitimately write here? P is the median, and I get an equal split between the two sides. N over 2. Okay? Because I'm going to recurse on one of the two sides. The bigger of the two sides is the worst one, but if they're equal, it's n over 2. Now, P need not be the median. Okay, it's this median of medians things. Okay, so it's only some approximation of the median. So it's unclear right now what I'm justified in writing inside these parentheses. The smaller the better, because this is the input size of one of our recursive calls. It's not going to be any smaller than n over 2, but that would be a little bit too good to hope for. So the question is, what can we plug in this question mark? So that's what I'm going to argue next. Okay?